Today we will be performing a submaximal steady-state cycle Astrand test. My subject here is Nick. He's a 24-year-old male. He's 6'1" and weighs 145 pounds. His exercise history has been recorded, and we've determined that he is a conditioned male athlete. We have also determined his cardiovascular risk stratification, which is low. This is because he has no known cardiovascular, pulmonary, or metabolic diseases. He doesn't show any signs or symptoms, and he has no known cardiovascular risk factors. We have also recorded Nick's resting vital signs. His heart rate was 59 beats per minute, and his blood pressure was 116/56. These are both within the normal ranges. We have also determined that it is okay to start the test today based on his risk stratification. Low means that there is no MD supervision needed, and his vital signs are within the normal ranges. The bike has already been adjusted to the patient so that he's comfortable during the test, and he has been warming up at 25 watts, which will be for a total of 4 minutes. Then we're going to bump up the watts to 125 and begin the submax test. Alright, let's start it in this next 10 seconds. I'll bump you up. Okay. Alright. You're going to continue like this for 2 minutes, Nick, and then I'm going to record your vitals.
Alright.
How are you feeling right now at the end of your warm-up?
Less than light.
Less than light. Okay. So Nick's rate of perceived exertion is a 10 currently. So the intensity that we selected for this test, which is 125 watts, was based on the fact that he is conditioned and he is male. We also wanted Nick to reach his submax range during this test within the first 2 minutes, which would be between 114 and 162 beats per minute. This is based on his heart rate max, 60 to 85% of his heart rate max, which we determined was 191. Nick is also going to try and maintain about 50 to 60 RPMs throughout the course of this test, which you have been doing. Alright, we've got about a minute left, and then I'm going to start recording your blood pressure and heart rate.
Alright.
Feeling okay? Everything comfortable?
Yep.
Good. Okay, I'm going to start to get set up here, so within these 2 minutes I can start recording. If you could hold that for me, that'd be great. Thank you. Okay, now I'm going to take your heart rate for a full minute. Starting now. Perfect. So Nick's blood pressure was 138/56, and his heart rate was 120 beats per minute. How are you feeling on this scale?
Between light and somewhat hard.
Between light and somewhat hard. All right. Nick's RPE is currently 12. Okay. Got about a minute left until I need to start recording your next set of values. Just about 30 seconds and I'm going to get set up. Doing great. How you feeling?
Good.
Good. All right. Take your blood pressure here. Hold that for me. Appreciate that. Thank you. Okay. Now we're going to record your heart rate for the next minute. That for me. So your heart rate at minute 5 was 146 beats per minute, and your blood pressure was 154 over 60. How are you feeling now?
I would say between somewhat hard and hard.
Okay. Next RP is again a 14. So I'm going to record your heart rate one final time. Perfect. So your heart rate was 148 beats per minute. I'm going to go ahead and bring you back down to 25 watts so we can start your cool down. We're stopping the test now because he achieved his submax range in the appropriate time throughout the test, and steady state heart rate was achieved between minutes 5 and 6. He had 146 beats per minute at minute 5 and 148 beats per minute at minute 6, which puts him within plus or minus 5 beats per minute between those two time trials. His cool down was going to be at 25 watts for 3 to 5 minutes, and we're going to record heart rate and blood pressure every 2 to 3 minutes.